What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching. So this YouTube channel is gonna be about social media and social media strategies and how to create content news, and a lot more other exciting things on how to communicate on the internet. Alright, so let me step away a little bit from my desk. So what will I be doing on this channel? So there will be days that I'll be giving you guys tutorials on how to make videos, how to do photography, and a few more hacks on how to create content for social media. And then there will be times that I'm gonna be showing you how to actually shoot videos, different videos for Instagram and for Facebook and YouTube, back in my room here. So I'm very excited about this, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified every time that I upload content on here. Also, if you have a question about social media related issues, if you're running into some problem on how to create content, or you want a strategy, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Other than that, I have my contact information at the end of this video. I also have a telephone number. You can text me if you have any questions. If you feel comfortable communicating that way, I'll be very happy to answer your questions. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.